Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the online lecture for English vocabulary. My dear students of grade 7, I hope you will be fine. Today I am going to assign you an activity about homophones. Homophones are the English words which are similar in terms of pronunciation or sound, but actually their meanings and spellings are totally contrasting or opposite to each other. So here is a very beautiful exercise for you. I hope you will do it. In each of the following sentences, choose the most suitable and correct word from the given two options to complete the sentence. Number 1. Playing outside in the hot sun may affect your health, said the mother. Number 2. On the orders of judge, the prisoners were put into a cell for the period of a decade. Number 3. The mathematics teacher asked the students whether they had completed the quiz. We couldn't carry on driving on the highway as suddenly the brake system of our vehicle had become faulty. Number 5. During our childhood days, we used to listen to a tale from the grandmother before going to bed. Number 6. All the crew members need to develop a consolidated teamwork in order to dispose of the assigned task by next week or week. Jazz It, a very popular and well-recognized European band will perform a concert very soon in our college. Number 8. The contractor didn't pay any wage to the miner, though the latter had been digging and working diligently for the last 10 days. Number 9. The language lab is located on third floor of the school building. And the last one, before announcing the verdict, the referee requested the people to be quiet. So this is an exercise for you people. You can note down the whole stuff on your notebook. Later you can do the exercise and ultimately you will be able to determine your performance. You can evaluate your understanding about homophones. Once you have done the exercise, please consult the words by using any dictionary and mark your exam. Thank you very much for attending this online lecture. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.